So I got my three kids here, Tony, Brandy, and Whisky, sitting over here. Tony's coming down. So Brandy's sitting down here. Going up there. So it's like a sunny day today here. Brandy's walking around. Simba came over. Got my brush for Brandy. So what I use to comb his hair. And he knows I want to comb him. Says get ready to go hang around somewhere. Yes, he likes it. It was wet yesterday. Yeah, so see he's sitting still. Trying to stay. There's Tony. He's looking around. I got Brandy. Simba here. She's a girl one. Yeah, it's like been a little bit cold past few days. Brandy's steering.